Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen.
Today I'm making a vegetable dish, enoki and shimeji mushrooms with a garlic and scallion soy sauce. So let's review the ingredients. Here I have a couple packages of enoki mushrooms. These are shimeji mushrooms. They're also known as brown beech mushrooms. I have garlic, green onion, cilantro, sugar, chicken stock, soy sauce, and sesame oil. For the prep, let's start off with the mushrooms. Just remove the mushrooms from the package. And we'll cut off about 1 inch from the bottom. And you can break them up into like little bundles. And these enoki mushrooms are very tasty. Okay, that's done. Put this aside. And we'll do the same with the brown beech mushrooms. Just cut off the bottom section, about 1/2 inch. They should all separate easily. Okay, next we can mince the garlic. Okay, that looks good. And next we can mince the green onion. And the cilantro, we can give it a rough chop. I'm just using the leaves. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, before we start cooking the mushrooms, give them a quick wash, rinse, and drain. So we'll start off with the enoki mushrooms. These are going to cook very quickly. Put them into a pot of boiling water. I'm just going to really blanch them for about 30 seconds. And have a serving plate ready on the side. Okay, once they're done, remove it and set it into your serving plate. And they actually look like noodles. And I'm cooking the mushrooms separately. I just want a little color contrast. Okay, in goes the shimeji mushrooms. Same thing, 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds up. Turn off the heat. We'll just lay these right on top of the enoki mushrooms. The brown caps on these mushrooms give the dish a little contrast. Next we'll make the garlic soy. Set your heat to medium. We'll add a bit of oil. We'll add the garlic. We just want to cook it through. Let it release the flavors. It smells good. We'll add the chicken broth and the soy sauce. And we'll add some sugar. This will balance out the saltiness. Now bring this up to a boil. Okay, once it comes up to a boil, turn off the heat. We'll add in the green onion. And this is done. So let's put the dish together. And all we have to do is pour the garlic, scallion soy sauce over the mushrooms. And this is super tasty. And if you want to make this a total vegetarian dish, you can use a vegetable broth. We'll add the cilantro right on top and drizzle it with sesame oil. And here we have a delicious plate of enoki and shimeji mushrooms with a garlic and scallion soy sauce. This is a quick and easy vegetable dish that has a nice savory, garlicky flavor. Enjoy! Well, let's see if Shadow likes it. Yummy. She likes enoki mushrooms with the garlic, scallion, soy sauce. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Subscribe and join me on Facebook. Good girl.